Alright, YouTube, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, that way you never miss a video. What's going on, YouTube? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. First and foremost, guys, it is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. I want to send a super shout out to all my veterans, all my Marines, all the military members right now that are overseas that are not getting the opportunity to be with their families. My heart's with all of you. I understand how it is. Last year, personally, I was deployed, so I missed the holiday season with my family. I know what all of you guys are going through. And for all of you that actually scope down and watch this video that are active duty or veterans of the military, thank you for your service. Thank you for doing what you do. Thank you for sacrificing your time and your efforts and your life to protect myself and our family's freedoms. It means the world. I am active duty. I understand it. I do the same. But I'm thankful for you because 1% of the world will do what you do. And that's my super shout out for the military veterans and active duty. Thank you. All right. The rest of you guys, thank you very much for coming to my page and my website, hopefully. I want to wish you all a happy holiday as well and a successful 2019. 2019 for me is all about the money. Okay? $100 bills, guys, every second floating in front of our face. It is our job to catch them. Let's catch them and let's put them in our pocket. It's simple. It's very simple to do when you understand how the market works. I can help you, my partner can help you, and the rest of us at G-Trade Now can help you. All right. Real quick, I want to shout out my partner, how he is doing a phenomenal job with signals. He works his butt off charting daily. Can't stress it. All of you know I'm active duty. I don't always get to trade during the day. A lot of times, honestly, I don't because I don't have signal. I don't. I work on a base. I'm in the middle of nowhere sometimes. I'm in a concrete building sometimes. I don't always get a chance to trade. When he sends signals, I will trade, but I don't always get to be on the charts all day. All right, but he is, and he's doing an absolutely phenomenal job. Honestly, quite frankly, probably the best trader as far as I've seen on Nadex. Definitely the best charting and analysis I've ever seen. When he charts his charts, or excuse me, when he plots his charts, I'm like, wow, I see everything that you're trying to do. I see it all. Thank you. Hey, thanks for showing me this because I may have missed it. There's certain currencies I don't even pay attention to, but he does. So, you know, shout out to him. Hassan, if you're watching this, man, hey, man, happy holidays to you and your family. Great job. Great working with you. It's a pleasure. I look for nothing but success in 2019. Thanks, brother. The rest of you all, I lowered my 5-minute strategy an additional $50 to comp you guys for the holidays. I know it's a stressful period. You guys are spending a lot of money. Here's the thing. This is a gift that you can buy for yourself that's going to make you money in return. The reason I say that is because not only am I lowering it $50, guys, you're going to get signals for free for a month. All right. Now, I charge $100 for signals, right? You're getting that for free. October, 44 wins, 12 losses. You can see behind me the stats, okay? November, 33 wins, 7 losses, 80% win percentage. December, so far, 35 wins, 7 losses, trading at 83%. All right. Last week, 14 wins, 2 losses. Now, keep in mind, if you only got one contract, you made $280 off one, and that's accounting for 2 losses. Okay. Now, and that's with a take profit. If you held to expire, you're going to make more. But that 280 is off of our suggested take profit targets that we shoot out as well with alerts. We alert you when it's coming out. We alert you the position. We also alert you to take profits. All right. Simple. So 280. You pay 250. You make 280. You already made everything for free. Simple. Awesome. The best part about what I'm doing is you're getting a strategy and something that you could utilize to help you learn how to trade. All right. 5-minute trades, 5 minutes, but you can use certain tools to trade hourly on the charts that I plot for you. Okay. And while you're learning, you're earning money because we're sending you trades. All right. Now, a little bit, what happens when everything happens when you purchase. Okay. So you will get two groups. You're going to go right into our signal group. You're also going to go in another group that I created where I share my charts every single night with you. All right. I do all your support and resistance for you. Okay. So you don't have to worry about it. Not only do I do that for you, I tell you all the market news, significant news. I don't waste your time with little news, but I will tell you about news. All right. News impacts the market tremendously if it's high volume news. Speeches, President Trump, whatever the case may be. High volume news will make the market move quite a bit, right? So I like to alert you guys and let you know, hey, be careful here, all right? You still can trade news if you know what you're doing or you have a solid plan or your position's good. I do it, but I like to alert and let you guys know what it is because a lot of times people forget, man, I just want to make some money. But then they don't check the news. All right. So news is key. And I will always let you know about news every single day. Another thing I pride myself on is identifying trending markets. So I will always let you know too, hey, this market isn't a super crazy uptrend. This is a market that you want to make sure you're looking at buy positions in this market. And I do the same thing on the other side. If it's a downtrending market, I like to tell you, hey, this market is moving down quite a bit. Let's stay on top. Let's look at sell positions. All right. Now, you can utilize this for 5-minute trading, but ultimately it's going to help you out for hourlies, dailies, weeklies, whatever the case may be. It's going to help you on other stuff besides 5-minute trading. All right. So you can have a number of tools in your arsenal. All right. Now, hourly, still working on it, guys. It's going to be pretty big. It's huge trading in there. So stay tuned for that. But at the end of the day, I just want to say thank you. You know, I'm going to cut this video off. Happy holidays again. And I look forward to working with all of you in 2019. And stay profitable. That is the key. That is the name of the game, is staying profitable.